Yes, VK6 RO radio, VK6 radio Oscar, this is your 3CTV. Hello, Graham, how are you? Fine signal, 5-9, okay? Wow, VK6 RO, this is your 3CTV. Oh, Graham, nice hear that I'm stronger, one of strong signal on band. Nice to hear that, thank you very much. Yes, you pick in S9, probably sometime S9.10, a little bit, but yes, little QSB anyway, good audio, and always I can hear you most of time very strong. When condition, of course, little open to Australia. So how are you? How weather in Western Australia? Today is sunny, about plus 20 degrees, very nice, beautiful, quiet spring day, Graham. VK6 Rose is your 3CTV, or? VK6 Rose is your 3CTV, no problem, Graham, I understand. Yes, I am very surprised because same weather, yes, here is spring, but in UK I don't know what the season now, maybe autumn, yes, and we have summer, and in UK will be winter, us like teach that or in a geography lesson in a school. Hi. Okay, but it was long time ago. Yes, I'll copy blue sky plus 20 degrees, and yes, seems, yes, you're right, same weather of our both sides, but very far away for us. Hi. Okay, understand about alpha X-ray prefix today and tomorrow, yes, special prefix, or you can use it for any one yes, UK station. So yes, I can hear the Alpha X-ray 5 Sierra Foxtrot Alpha, and work is still. So he was very strong. His condition little open, and some VKs who have a nice antenna and some power very low here. Yes, I'm 500 watt, yes, 5 element, and you're yes, 100 watt you say, and as I remember your antenna 2 element, so no problem at all, nice condition today, so it possible to little speak. Hi. VK6 Rose is your 3CTV, back to Western Australia, or? VK6 Rose is your 3CTV, Graham, no problem, S9, most of time S9 little QSB, sometimes signal may be little drop, because its condition is maybe fire, high kind, not good, but not bad. Sounds middle. Hi. Okay, nice to hear your voice, Graham. So, since was a call me. Oh, yes, Victor India 5 Alpha November Zulu Alpha Charlie. Ansatz. Hi. I worked with him, but it's very some difficult because signal is good, but very drop. Very drop. Sometime almost to zero. So anyway, I have luck to work with that station. So thank you very much. Thanks was a nice QSO, and wish you have a nice day, good weekend, and enjoy radio, enjoy 10, and have nice time on radio on your curve. Yeah, so good condition you and clear air. VK60, this is your 3CTV. Best wishes to Perth, Western Australia, and hope to meet you again. Thank you, Graham. Roger.
Okay, sir. Yeah, that's right. VI5, VI1, VI2, VI3. They are special. And then there's the Alpha X-ray, just the ordinary. Okay, 73, we'll see you later. Your frequency, put out some more calls. You are 3CDB, VK60. See you later.
Yes, VK60, this is your 3CTV. No problem, Graham. Where is it? Talk with you today. Good signal, S9, and your very nice clear signal as always. Thank you very much. See you later. 73. Bye-bye, my friend. Over.
Bye-bye. See ya.
Bye-bye. 73. See you.